take that long. It's just tedious, you know, because you gotta mop and mop and mop and mop and mop. We put 7 coats on it. So, but you know, it's okay. But I mean, I had him do it. I just showed him how to do it, and then I went in the office. Your schedule's done. I finished the whole schedule.